Graham, watch it come through the tunnel. Here it comes. This side. Down through the tunnel. Here it comes. Oh, thank you, buddy. Do you want to go through the tunnel again? Yeah. Ready? Here it comes. Watch it come. Here it comes. Whee! Thank you. One more time. Okay, you want to see it go over the bridge? Cool. Thank you. It's so exciting. Ready? Through the tunnel this time. Go watch it. All done. Graham, say goodbye. On to something else, huh? What do you got? Oh, a card.